Whether you're watching a movie or listening to your favorite playlist, the IA40-3 amplifier delivers great sound performance from a compact box that you can hide between your devices or behind your TV. You can connect up to 3 speaker channels, and an active subwoofer, making it the perfect upgrade for your TV's existing sound, or as a stereo music system. With up to 60 watts per channel, Dolby audio processing and Bluetooth streaming, you'll get a powerful and versatile performance. And using its flexible bracket system, you can wall or corner mount the amplifier, so it's completely out of sight. To learn more, we've created a series of short video guides to help you get the most out of the IA40-3 amplifier. You can find them on our YouTube and Vimeo channels.